What's up, guys, and welcome to another video. Yeah, I promised that I would have been uploading every Sunday, but something important happened that I had to stop for a while. I have a special guest in my channel that it was long due for him to come my way. Present to you my son. He will be working with me in the car for this, I don't know, maybe a couple videos. But yeah, that's my son, 17-year-old. He came from Florida. He's a little bit shy, camera shy. So if you see him kind of hiding from the camera, you guys know why. Yeah, there's no updates on the car. The car is the same, but we decided to go piano black on the wrap. We're not doing that metallic black. It's right here. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. I might be doing this whole side in this video. We'll see if it doesn't take me too long. We took the carbon wrap, piece of crap, dry carbon, or whatever you want to call it, out the hood. I don't know why they did it. This hood looks really good. No scratch, no rock chips or nothing. Bumpers, I'm gonna do them last because they are very, very difficult to do. If you see, it has a lot of inlays, and I'm not about to do that on this video. I'm gonna take my time with those bumpers. So yeah, let's get to work. Fender's done. You cannot barely tell the color though. It's dirty as hell. But yeah, guys, you can see fender's done. Yep. Well, I'm gonna go keep wrapping. I'm not recording because I'm gonna bore you guys with it. If I'm done with this side, you'll see me in a couple seconds.
One eternity later.
So yeah, it's been a couple days, or maybe a week, right? A week, maybe, from the last clip of us trying to wrap the fender. We stopped because it got too hot, and I messed up the vinyl when I was doing the door. The fender is done, but I couldn't do the door because the paper was too much. It was sticking too much into the door, and every time I tried to adjust, it wouldn't budge. It would just stick to the car and it will stretch wrong and everything, so I stopped. And it's been hot. All this week has been really hot, so I waited. But today we came to the shop and we're painting the rims. We went with the original color of the car. The car is being wrapped in black because the paint on it is okay. There's some scratches, as you saw in a previous video where I fixed that part over there, right there. I can't even do this, right there. And I decided, well, the paint is not perfect, so let's wrap it. But to keep the original color going, decided to paint the rims with the color of the car. B9 2P or B, whatever the color code it is, but that's what I bought. As you see, I have the first one done. It's nice and shiny. So we're gonna keep going on this one, then I'll be with you guys.
How the story time starts off.
All right, the stuff you see around the tire is Emerald or whatever the heck you want to call it, but this is what I'm using so the paint doesn't stick on the tire. And right now I did 2 coats, so I'm going on my 3rd and 4th coat on it. That's the code right there, B9 2P, Honda or Acura, Nighthawk Black Pearl. That's the color of the car. So yep, I'm gonna time lapse this so you guys don't get bored. Well, these are the 2 front tires. Now I'm just letting them there to dry. That one has a lot of garbage in it. Maybe in the future I'll clean it up or use these as winter tires and get me some nice summer rims. These 2 are done. Now we going on the rear tires. And then we take care of the wrapping. Right now, the only thing I got wrapped is the fender. The wrap on the hood is off. And yeah. And I got rear wheels are done. This one, the paint reacted a little weird out, but hey, can't do nothing. Just letting it dry. Sun is about to hit it, so it'll bake for a little bit. The 2 front wheels are done, but I took that one out because I'm gonna start wrapping the passenger side fender. Hopefully it's not too hot for it, so we will see. Then we cleaned out this because I'm not gonna wrap it. I'm professional in wrapping, so we cleaned this out, sanded it down a little bit, and at the bottom there, and use the original black paint from the car. So I'm just gonna wrap all this here and then cut here. All this is gonna be wrapped, except for anything that's shiny there, that's not getting wrapped. Everything else as it is. So headlights are out because we're gonna start wrapping this fender. And when this is dried, we're gonna wrap that bumper, or try to. We'll see how it comes out. Well guys, fender's done. We got the other side and this side wrapped. We got the rims painted. Those things look awesome. So 2 front wheels are on. The 2 rear are getting baked right there under the sun. Or it was on the sun, but they're looking good, looking fresh. Bumper will be on the next video. It'll be my last video with my son because he leaves Monday. So tomorrow, today is Saturday. Tomorrow we'll film a video. So you guys might see that second one sometime during the week. But this one, I'm gonna get it edited today and post it today. So you guys see a little update. One update I got is that I replaced the LMAs on these on the head to see if the ticking noise was the LMAs, because when I took them out, they looked pretty bad. They did look pretty bad. The LMAs did look pretty bad, and so I replaced them. If I have a picture, I'll put it up on the screen, somewhere in the screen, so you guys could see the difference. They were pretty bad. I put the new ones in. It's still a little ticky. I don't know why. I think I'm being too picky. A little ticky, a little too picky. So yeah. So he'll be gone on Monday. And so the next video you guys see will be his last video with me. And hopefully next year he'll be here again and we could keep doing more videos if the car's not done. Well, yeah, guys, I'm gonna cut it up right here. Just like, share, and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.